Hi, I'm Rochelle Marbahawk, part of the global trend team at Moroccanoil. I'm here today with my model Chianti to achieve 100% coverage that's vibrant and true to tone using our Color Rhapsody permanent cream color. I chose Color Rhapsody because Chianti is transitioning to a beautiful, rich auburn. This formula will deliver optimal reflection and depth while maintaining the hair's shine and overall integrity. Ready for the transformation? Let's get started. Since I'm doing a virgin application, I'm applying my color an inch away from the scalp, saturating the mids and the ends. Because I'm working with thick and dense hair, I'm using my planchette to ensure I have even saturation throughout my application process. I'm going to continue with my root application in the back, working my way to the front. This is Chianti's final look. Hope you enjoy this transformation. We'll see you next time.